Looking for a long-lasting, maintenance-free fencing solution? Have you considered PVC-U? It may not be the obvious choice of material for fencing, but it's the smart choice, with an increasing number of property owners discovering its benefits. Here are 7 reasons to choose Liniar PVC-U fencing. Liniar's innovative range of fencing is an attractive alternative to more traditional fencing products. With a choice of 10 finishes, classic, wood grain and composite, you can go as striking or as minimalist as you like. Unlike timber, your Liniar fence will never need sanding, painting or staining. It's completely waterproof, so won't rot either. At around 10% the weight of concrete, its lightweight properties make Liniar fencing easy to transport and carry, and it only takes one person to lift the panels into place. You may think of PVC as too flexible for fencing. However, with multiple walls inside each panel, Liniar fencing is designed to be strong and sturdy. With posts reinforced with galvanised steel and rebaited slots for panels, it can withstand storm-force winds. There can be slight deviations in the width of timber panels, making installation difficult if the posts are installed first. Liniar's PVC boards are extruded to a consistent size, meaning that each and every one is the correct width. The Liniar system is installed in exactly the same way as concrete or timber systems. However, Liniar panels are formed by stacking our uPVC boards on top of each other, which can easily be undertaken by one person. No heavy lifting involved. Not only can you install a full Liniar fencing system, it's also compatible with your existing posts. This means if you already have concrete posts installed, you can simply replace old, tired timber panels with Liniar's uPVC boards. Just slot them into place. As your concrete post may not have been perfectly moulded, or may have shifted slightly over the years, a rubber mallet may be necessary to tap the boards into position. Once in place, the Liniar fencing panels will provide a beautiful and sturdy border for your garden. Liniar's uPVC fencing system doesn't rot, chip, corrode or require painting. And because there's no risk of splinters, it's also more child-friendly than timber. Made from recycled, lead-free window-grade PVC-U, the Liniar range is designed, modelled, tooled, manufactured, foiled and stocked at our state-of-the-art 400,000 square foot facility in the heart of the UK. For more information, go to www.liniar.co.uk.